Hey there, beautiful soul. Welcome back to Lotus and Mighty. I am so excited you're here for this Thrive Through Thursday. This is the space where we uplift, empower, and embrace each other on this beautiful journey called life. I'm beyond grateful you're here today. If you're tuning in, it means you're walking through life with an open heart, seeking connection, encouragement, and maybe just a little reminder that you're never alone. And truly, you are in the right place. My mission here is to create a space where you feel seen, valued, celebrated, and connected to a community that lifts one another up. Through this podcast, I want to help you rediscover your inner strength and inspire you to be a force of positive change in this world. Every one of us carries a light, powerful enough to illuminate the lives around us. And here, we nurture that light together. If you've been giving your all, holding space, organizing schedules, advocating, loving, leading, this message is for you. Today, you're honoring something powerful. Rest is strength. Rest is not something earned after exhaustion. It is something woven into a healthy rhythm. When you pause, you restore clarity. When you breathe deeply, you strengthen patience. When you slow down, you reconnect with yourself. A regulated mom is a powerful mother, not because she never feels overwhelmed, but because she knows how to return to steadiness. Your calm presence shapes your home. Your grounded energy steadies your children. Your inner peace strengthens your leadership. Rest refuels your wisdom. Rest renews your softness. Rest sustains your resilience. You are not here to run endlessly. You are here to live intentionally. And intentional living includes restoration. So close your eyes for a minute if you're able to do so, and imagine your body as a beautiful home. This week has been active, full of movement and sound. Now imagine closing the front door gently. The room grows quiet. The air feels light. You walk to the center of your home and sit comfortably. You whisper, "This space belongs to me too. I deserve to feel peaceful here." Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your breath deepen. Feel your energy return. This is restoration. Your beautiful affirmation for today is, "My rest strengthens me. My calm presence is powerful." You are doing meaningful work, and the way you sustain that work is through balance. Tomorrow will flow into a spacious weekend, one filled with ease and gratitude. As always, be brave, be strong, be kind to everybody, and always be mighty. Love ya. Have a wonderful Thursday.